Hi, this is Martin from MockupBrohter and welcome back to another quick tutorial about how to frame a custom size artwork with our movable frames in Canva. As you know from the previous videos, we have fixed frame ratios for standard sizes like square and 2/3, but let's see how to make any size for any ratios. Here I place several other artwork sizes like 4/5, 4/1 or a custom X/Y, and first of all we will place one of our movable frames here. Before doing anything, please hover over to flip and flip the frame horizontally in order to the frame shadow is in the right direction. Click here to this white button and make the frame thickness appropriate to your artwork. I will choose this thickness and place the frame in the corner of your artwork. The next thing we will do is to drag this white button here and cut the frame half and then per quarter. Go to duplicate and make a copy of the frame, but now we will cut another half of the frame just like that and place back the frame to the right corner of the artwork and make the two aligned just like that. So we have a half frame and select them together and hit duplicate again. Don't click anywhere, just drag the two half here below. And now select the first half, hover over to flip and flip vertically. Do it with another half as well, flip vertically, select them again and place back to the artwork. Just like that. So that's it. We made a 4/5 custom size movable frame. So what if we have a 4/1? So I will create the same thickness frame because I think it looks better. So I will duplicate the original one I've placed here and I will place it on the design as we did before. I will hit duplicate again, place here and cut another half of the frame. Okay, but the frame is too short. No problem. We will place it to another corner just like that and hit duplicate again. So we have a third part. I will place it to the right one and cut the end of the frame and make it aligned. So we made this frame from 3 different parts. Select the 3 part, just like before, hit duplicate, don't click anywhere, just drag the frames parts here, flip them vertically as we did before, select them again and place it back. That's right. And don't forget to make the 2 frame align here as well. And maybe it's too close. Yes. So with this 2x2 or 2x3 frame parts, you are able to create basically any size. You can frame your artworks, no, doesn't matter what size it is. So if you liked this video, please hit that like button below and subscribe. We make easy tutorials for artists week by week, and bye!